Our adversaries are getting better. They're using tools and things that are making them faster. They're compressing what we call the kill chains and the attack chains that we use. They're getting faster, and so we need to adapt, and that's kind of why we started this IntelliThreat AI. And that's what this kind of slide talks about here as well. So yeah, what are we looking at for the security landscape today? Welcome to the Thunderdome. I'm dating myself with that movie, but it really is, still kind of that Wild West out there where you see attacks even from less skilled people, attacks getting uh, more broad, evolving rapidly. We still have a cybersecurity shortage when it comes to skills, especially in the SOC. Like I said, they're getting overwhelmed. And the biggest problem we see is kind of this last little point here, is even as companies say, hey, we're going to move to the cloud, and they really think that their security is going to be handled when they move to the cloud or move into other people's infrastructure and those things. From a security perspective, all that means is we just have more sources to look for stuff, right? So it's not like just because we're moving our stuff into Azure or moving our stuff into Microsoft 365 or wherever you do it, Google, it doesn't matter. Wherever you're putting your stuff, that doesn't mean we're getting less telemetry. It actually means the opposite. It just means we have more disparate sources to look at that we have to then make sense of. We have to then be able to correlate together, and all that stuff takes time. So it expands our threat surface, right? And so automation is really the only option. That's a quote that we kind of come up with, that that our threat surface is really expanding faster than we can staff defense people, right? So the only way you fix that is with automation. AI, I think, is a tool that can help with that. And it is just a tool. We'll talk about the differences in what we do, how agentic AI is being used, how you can use it safely, how we use it safely, how you give it access to the right types of information to let it make decisions and make good decisions. And